Kumain ako ng sinu.
What's a sino?
Oh! No! No! Kanin! Mommy, ask me a Tagalog sentence.
Let's see. Sophie, anong kinain mo during lunch?
Kumain ako ng kanin at shrimp. I forgot what shrimp was again.
Hipon.
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 Hipon. Okay. Kumain ako ng sinan at
Huh?
himun. What?
It gets worse and worse.
Kimun?
Hipon.
Hipon. Okay. Kumain ako ng sinu at
Anong kinain mo?
kumain ako ng sinu.
What's a sino?
Oh! No! No! Kanin! Kanin, pito, walo, siyam, sampo.
Anim yun eh.
How do you say rice again?
Kanin.
Kanin. I was saying that!
Anong kinain mo?
Kumain ako ng kanin at hipa?
Hipon. Hipon.
Hipon.
Hipon.
What is it?
Hipon.
I said it right?
Hipon nga.
Yay!
Oh, anong kinain mo?
Kumain ako ng
Kanin.
kanin at
Hipon.
hipon. I was about to say sinu again.